friend. One was the name of a liar, another was the name of a banker, and the other was a son of a bam bam. Lulu gone away. Who is gonna bam bam? When Lulu gone away. Get your hand on a dog. Put them in the bed. Put them in the bed. You see they could bam bam Lulu. Lulu gone away. Who is gonna bam bam? When Lulu gone away. Lulu had 3 boyfriends. One was the name of a liar. Other was the name of a banker. And the other was a son of a bam bam. Lulu gone away. Who is gonna bam bam? Lulu gone away. Ask me no question. Me no tell no lie. If you do not like it, you can smile. Bam bam Lulu gone away.
Yeah, man.
Who is gonna bam bam? Lulu gone away.
But see, no one see me, no okay what I'm saying, they're not obeying. So what I gonna do? You can lead the horse to the well, I cannot force him to drink the water. You understand me? Yeah, it's simple. You lead the horse to the well, I cannot force him to drink the water. So I mean, you know, all my kids, none of them like say, don't eat this. When the last one what we live with me, you know, I see she start to stop eating certain things. Now she may be seeing what I'm saying.
Okay.
But I don't force people to do things what they don't want to do. No, I don't do that. I don't want a result. I don't want to get no happiness through that. I will bring hatred and problem.
Okay.
Let nature just take its course. In time, if they do stop, they will stop.
So you use a calabash.
Yeah, man, those are bash, man. That's what I eat out of. That's my dishes.
Can we take a look at the peas?
And the fire,
Yes, sir.
with cooking up and rubbing up this kind of thing. See me can't take me and take out.
Yes, I.
Yes, sir. Simple. I know smoke. And I do everything that cooking was the right thing for food to still. I don't think our food should burn. But you know, it's better you do that more than kill an animal and eat them. That's why cooking comes in, because they have to kill the animal. Yeah.
So your father, did you know your father?
Yeah, man.
What was your father like?
Eh?
What was your father like?
My father was a builder. He make everything. There is nothing like that man can make. You know, so I'm no artist to him. He was the artist. I'm not an artist. My daddy was an artist. He can draw.
And your mom?
My mama, I just know my mama as a housewife. I don't know when I know her take care of kids. That's what I know.
And what did your father do to live for a living?
Do artwork. He used to drive. He used to have a truck. He got boats on the sea, like stuff like that. When I know him. Yeah, but I was a child those times, way back when down, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, I was a child when little boy. The last time I see my daddy is in the 70s, 70 something, 1978, 79, around there.
Do you make coconut oil yourself?
Sometimes.
But
I have a special oil I buy, and I make coconut oil myself.
What special oil is that?
It's coconut oil, but I mean, like, this is the coconut oil I use. This is just, that's the one I buy at the shop. When I buy this one.
Let me see it. It's called Simple Natural.
Right. That's the one I use.
Nice.
else I grate my coconut and squeeze it and boil my own oil.
Okay.
Yeah, but I mean, you know, you have journey going on, so sometimes if I gonna cut it short, I use that oil. Yeah, it's simple. Now we're gonna go to the put on this thing here on the fire.
What's that?
Now we're gonna put on this is the pot. We're gonna sip it.
Okay. Now what do you call it? Sip?
Sip is like how people would use meat and cook soup, but I don't use meat. So you soup. When you use meat or fish or those things, it's soup. But when I use vegetable, it's sip. So it's a form of soup, but it's sip. You understand? Yeah, it's not. I don't use nothing with face, nothing with bone in it. No fish, no meat. Naturality. It's blessing, is it? It's
So do you salt it?
Salt it. I don't know, everything have salt in the earth, you know. I don't know. Yeah, but you can put if you want. It's simple. If like you are a person who uses salt, then I'm not gonna just turn my back on you. You see it? You have to take a time and clear yourself. You have to know that the taste is in you with salt. So you gotta take a little, take none, you come right out. You understand? Yeah, because it's that my tradition is not no pain to no one.
Yes.
It's open up. Yeah.
When the past storms, they disturb your home.
Yeah, man. We run our bush once and go find me house stop. We are wrong.
Yes.
Yeah, man. And I fight. I go through my own self. But because these things are really tests for me, you know. It's like sometimes I have to ask myself. I don't know how to do it.
What's your name?
I don't know me do it. I don't know how to do it. It just happened. You know. I don't know. I don't know how to do it. It just happened. You know, it's good.
So this is the rainwater.
This is the one. This one I use. Yesterday, this one. This one I get it yesterday.
Okay.
But I don't use this one like to use it like to cook. I don't drink. I was drink spring water. I drink the rainwater when it just falls, and you can put it in the freezer if you have a fridge or anything like that. When it just falls, but it stay a little time, it's still and it don't have that taste, bitter. But I don't say it's not good for you, but I don't drink it like that.
Okay.
Yeah, it's spring water. You know what I mean? Natural.
Where do you get the spring water?
We have spring down there, but I have a special one to what I buy at the supermarket.
I see.
Yeah, I have a special one what I drink. Not all. But I don't drink the one at the hotels and things like those. I don't like those water. I don't say anything wrong with it, but I don't like those. I always
carry the distilled water.
Yeah, man, we don't have road there.
What do you need?
I'm going to look for breadfruit. I can't stop in the yard, man. Off all the cracks, Jim. Why you were so faithful? You know, you were so faithful in town, waiting on me.
Couldn't miss the opportunity for the world. Capture the essence, eh?
Yes, sir.
You have goats?
No, I don't mind.
How many goats?
I'm sure them today. But I know my goat then. We're not animal, you know. All is mine. I just saw me do it, you know. I just see me do it here. I just saw me just rest. Just do me thing, just do it. Said way. Do what you have to do. Enjoy it. Even when it's struggling, you enjoy it.
Yes, Jahbless. Capturing your essence.
The faith is good, man. Towards the day.
Yeah.
So what you're doing now, maybe me ask myself to become more like how the world ever see it.
Yes, sir.
Maybe me see myself too. You think so?
You'll see it.
Eh?
Yes, you'll see it.
You know, me don't want to pick up myself on the phone because
You have internet?
no, me not pick up myself on the phone, you know. Me not go through, you know. I don't push my education that way to know nothing about phone.
Mm-hmm.
With internet and those things. I'm a novice to those things, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yes, this is the breadfruit. Just pick from the tree. So we do it like this. Like I receive off.
So you peel, did you bless the breadfruit before you cut it?
Yeah, man. From I touch it, my hand it bless.
Bless.
Yeah, from I have my hand touch it, man. It bless right through, you know. It's growing. Remember, I said it grew, you know. It wasn't so big, you know. It grew, so it bless.
Yes.
You understand? Yeah, man. We transfer that blessing betwixt me and the breadfruit from I have it in mind to pick it. We transfer that blessing long time.
It's time to come home. So do you ever cook it with the skin?
No, never cook it this time. It can, but I never. Grandpa?
What's his name?
Yeah.
Where's your daddy?
I don't know.
My grandpa.
I put 2 Jahbless in our room there, in my room, I miss. One, Papa.
Hmm?
Yeah. One more in this, one more.
What's his name?
My grandpa.
Grandtas. I mean, your grandpa. Come here.
What touch you now, buddy? What about dribble, daddy?
I think this is two put me in my room left somewhere for my bird or something.
Come outside.
What do you?
Daddy.
Eh? That's something shock you up, man. I just see them do it, you know.
I'm going down to the window.
Yeah?
And then I'm saying I'm ready for time to go.
You see, man? Impa? Eh? You see, man? You know that man? What's that man? What? What you have to say? What? Grandpa? When last you get anything like this? Oi. When last you get anything like this? When last you yeah, what take him in from here? Do something in the kitchen. You know what you're running neck?
Now where are you going?
You know what you're running neck? Top one. Cheers. Yeah. But take.
Let me take a plate from good.
Come, you not eat no food. Neck. We had cook Westerman soup.
I go time come, man.
Yes, man. Good time,
You
man.
should have walked with me plate too.
Why? You carry on? You carry on? You know what you have to that dish?
Where cover?
No cover them.
That have been wall.
Have you know?
That have wall on the bottom. One for my customers.
Papa, we'll give him some engines. Oh. He want and water. Well, you cool enough so you can put it back there. If you take your time, give it clean. Grandpa!
Start learning go to church. You are wrong, I'm putting down and one in. You see grandma part. You have no auntie.
Yeah?
You help him. Mama!
How old is he?
9 months. How many months? 9 months. Yep.
11 months this month.
What? 7 months this month.
11.
I saw you go, Pa.
Yeah, go to the top of your birthday. Eh?
I mean, I go Friday, so.
Sorry.
Yeah?
Never know. But let me tell you anything.
What is that?
I don't have to touch you. Touch you. Touch me. When you touch you to me. Jay, if I tell you come on Monday.
I saw you every time you come here, you come.
We have some boa.
Bula. That's what I tell you, when Merlin come and play for Bula then time.
You alright? Your belly full? You eating today? Did you eat today? Did you meet today? Where meet?
You eat right around the clock.
Who gave me the what?
What? Want me tell you the day come get me chicken and chips?
From who?
But you must call and tell them the day time.
From who? What you know, I get none?
Last time? Holding cup now, daddy.
The holding cup.
I know it.
I'm going to keep it in here when we can't call it out.
Yeah. That is difficult.
The fans live television, son.
You see the food here.
Yeah, man, you line up the red, green, and gold.
So now you have the corn.
And the breadfruit cooking.
Breadfruit cooking.
Yeah. And we have things cut up here like pumpkin and
What do I tell you?
chocho.
Pumpkin and chocho.
Yeah, and we have carrot inside it too.
Carrot.
So we have the
Potato.
Irish potato to go in. We have the callaloo here.
Callaloo to go in.
The grater, the coconut to grater.
What is that?
Yeah, we have the thing going on here, man. It's simple.
Alright, bubbling.
Bubbling.
You put this back in the garden.
This going back in the garden to
You're gonna put
manure.
You're gonna put some peas in there?
Everything going inside it, man.
Alright, so you cook the peas separate.
Yeah, separate because we burn in the bottom, we cook it with the rest.
Okay.
It will burn in the bottom. We want to have a nice drink. We don't want to taste no burn or anything like that.
Yes, yes.
You see what I'm saying, son?
Daddy, when I come back up, we can appear come.
Not up here.
Pierre, I can't manage to pick her up.
Papa. Papa. What's up? Yes. What happened? What happened? What? What? Eh? What happened to you? What the trouble you? Oh, yeah. What? What? Hurt him? Hush, man, hush. Alright. Alright. Yeah, man, alright. I'm working bench soon. I just get enough information. Is it right here, sir?
Yeah.
So I get
What
enough
time, Dad?
information for me. What?
What time?
You know, sir? 7 minutes to 3. Papa, the moment you come here to my mind, you never ever contact her. You hear? You hear? You're seeing up here with Grandpa. You're seeing Grandpa. You're seeing Grandpa.
Daddy, I can't believe. Come in and lose the fish. That's the feel they get up in bed. They not had to sleep today. You told me sleep today. Travis sleep. The man in front of the funny bed. Me the funny grog. I watch one jump at school.
Yes, boy. I don't know what, no? If you go close my thing, then we trouble them. See you too, watch it. Start writing place now already. One thing I know what's the place. Apa chupu? Apa chupi? You know, man. Leave it alone. What you want, me? I mean, want to take you up. Umbrella.
Wait.
Woo!
Hey, pussy.
What? Papa?
Yes, big man.
I come for my weekend and I come for my weekend.
Yeah, come with your weekend.
Mm-hmm. Restaurant soup. Yeah.
You're really serious about that?
You're not doing no.
Yeah?
You're not doing no.
So, you know, can I wait till 5 o'clock?
No?
I mean,
You have to go cook. And make me a roll crumb.
yeah. You're good then, man.
Let me run from.
You're good.
After me know how to cook.
You know how to cook?
No. But you throw a hot plate. And then go pan you shot me.
That is the best thing you take man to cook.
Hmm?
Hot plate, you take man to cook. Is that current you use? I'll tell you. Take man to cook. Papa?
I'm down here man time to exercise.
You fast like a bullet, you know. You hear me see when they come through the kitchen, they're there and a creep. Lord, what about eh?
Let's talk about TV.
Over the world we going, man. We're trying people. And then people feel so riches are life.
What is life?
We are give them life. We not give them no riches, no money, vanity.
Like a life for them.
We are give them life. They think of life. The earth must feed our flesh. The earth must feed our flesh. It's a pollution to the earth, so we want to stop that. I make we have to bring back the remnant. We have to bring back the remnant, you know.
They didn't know my biggest injury.
Pick it, Tasha, and me tell her to pick it.
I'll come here watch it.
Watch.
I say I want it.
It's alright. Take it. One day, this one is going to take two different.
Oi! Oh, me about!
I say, pregnant. Why there?
The sweetie.
So we have put them over for take you out. Like it's right on the short.
Ah!